Mayong adlaw mga kasiloy. Here's what you need to know in today's edition of Cebu Daily Newscast, August 17, 2023. The man who killed his twins in 2022 in Singapore was sentenced to 14 years in jail after he admitted to strangling the boys and submerging their faces in a canal to ensure that they were really dead. Xavier Yap Jong Woon, 50, believed that killing his 11-year-old sons, who were diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder, would take away his wife's burdens. He also feared that no one would take care of the boys, Aston Yap Kai Shern and Ethan Yap E Shern, after he and his wife would die. And he was worried that the twins would be bullied by others. After killing them, he attempted to end his own life by stabbing his stomach, chest, and back with an ice pick. He also hit his head with a tree branch and a rock. Meanwhile, the Lapu-Lapu city government has already invited President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. to attend the groundbreaking of the Lapu-Lapu Expressway on September 8, 2023. The 24.8 billion peso Skyway project is the first in Visayas and Mindanao that would be constructed under a private-public partnership scheme. The 12-kilometer expressway will be initiated by the LLEX Corporation, a consortium between the Premium Megastructure Inc., MTD Philippines, and Alticon Builders Inc. Lapu-Lapu City Mayor John Ahong Chan said that they were still waiting for the response of their invite from the Office of the President. In other news, Cebu City Mayor Michael Ramos said he was serious about having only 3,000 employees in the Cebu City Hall before 2025. Rama made this announcement during the flag ceremony on Monday, August 14 at the Plaza Subu grounds. Henry Tumalabkad, the officer in charge of the Human Resources and Development, confirmed that there are 1,300 regular employees, 3,300 casual employees, and over 5,000 job order workers in Cebu City. In total, there are over 9,000 employees in the City Hall as of this year. This means that there will be around 6,000 employees who will lose their jobs by 2024. Sa paghinapos nato nga balita, daghan ang nakurat ug naluoy sa nahitabo sa kinabuhi o career sa kani broadcaster ug news anchor nga si Jay Sonsa. Human kini nga nabalita nga gidakop ug napriso karon si Jay sa Quezon City Jail, nagsagol nga kasubo og kaluoy ang gibati sa mga netizens. Apan do na po'y mga netizens nga nagkanayon nga karma na kuno ang nahitabo ni Jay Sonsa tungod sa mga gibuhat niya kaniadto. Ilabi na sa pag-apil-apil o pagpanghilabot ni ini sa mga init nga issues sa showbiz o politika. Usa sa mga nakuratan sa dihang gibandera na ang balita nga gidakop si Jay tungod sa kasong estafa o syndicated illegal recruitment, mao ang talent manager o kani online host nga si Manay Lolet Soles. Para naman naawa ako kay Jason sa Salve. Hindi ba nakakaawa na sa dati niyang kinalalagyan, ganyan ang naging ending niya sa kulungan? Matod pa ni Manay Lolet. There you have it mga kasiloy. Please do join me again tomorrow in another edition of Cebu Daily Newscast. You can get the full story by visiting our page at cdn.ph or follow us on social media at CDN Digital. This has been Dennis Son saying, dasig lang mga kasiloy.